I'm here in Celebration Central, and you can see the cruise setting up for the Most Magnificent Circus. I am so looking forward to this show, and I can't wait to share it with you.
Now I'm cruising.
Welcome to Grand Turk. It is sunny, a little bit windy, but a beautiful day here. And we haven't been to this port since before the pandemic, back in 2019. So we were excited to get back here. We don't have anything planned, but there's beaches, there's Margaritaville right here to access. So we're excited about it. Let's get to it.
So Grand Turk is a free beach that you can go hang out at. There are beach chairs as well. However, if it has a covering on it, you are more than likely going to have to pay for that service. It sounds like it's ranging anywhere from $25 to $40 for the day, depending on if it's an umbrella or a actual clamshell. But the local vendors make it sound like you'll also get free Wi-Fi if you purchase their chair for the day, so.
This is Jacks Shack, just down the beach from the port. It provides amazing views of the ocean, the cruise ship, cold beer. Now, a lot of cruise fans flock to this place. There used to be a lot of dogs that are around. There are a couple of strays here today, but not the dogs that everybody's come to know and love. But still, this is a great place to come, close to the port.
If it's okay with you, if it's okay, you can slide. You can slide any way that you like. It's a try to take you on a ride. Making waves all day through the night. Hit the sandbar, baby, I can stand up.
Can I get an autograph?
Oh my gosh, did you fly a drone? I saw a drone in the air, so somebody's flying a drone around here. I think it's awesome. This is my favoriteest, this is one of my favorite places, like, ever.
All right, we had fun out in Grand Turk, but we are back on the ship now for lunch, and big chicken was on the menu. I got myself the crispy chicken sandwich and these amazing potato wedges, and I think we're just gonna chill out and relax and maybe do some trivia before the evening activities. I'm here in Celebration Central, and you can see the cruise setting up for the Most Magnificent Circus. I am so looking forward to this show, and I can't wait to share it with you. got together with Eddie and Laura from Huddle's Adventures, and we tried out for Family Feud, but unfortunately we didn't get picked this time, but that won't stop us from enjoying The Late Show with Lee Mason.
Unfortunately, due to some issues on board Mardi Gras during Family Feud, Carnival no longer allows photos or video during the show. Luckily, you can still check out our performance here.
So we just saw the first family to win Family Feud here on the Celebration, and they didn't even need both of the final contestants to do it. She got 218 points with just 4 answers. It was amazing, it was fun, and tomorrow, Amber Cove, Thanksgiving. When should you not come?
Okay, do not come to Grand Turk in July. Sarah and I were here in July and it was covered in seaweed, like masses of seaweed. So come after, I would say late August, September, November. Come in Thanksgiving.
Yeah. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, open them up. It was like a straight stampede when they opened up the gates.